I must see the life for them and go through and when me used to go through. That my ball off from. I ball over, man. I'm mad. Go in a phone and see naked picture. I'm going to smart phone go see me too. I mean, see, you see me see. And what you should say? Say me bad mind baby face. So, oh, you would have know all that if me. Alright, then if you bad mind somebody, you go walk and tell people say no, some bad mind a girl, yeah? So now me alone would have know say me bad mind. Oh, you for stay from where you there know say me bad mind. That don't make no sense. If me bad mind somebody, you can't know say me bad mind is my mind. No say me bad mind. How you left from where you there and going to my mind and know say me bad mind. You now make no sense. She just not talk nothing with no farmer sense. Someone sex me in me a dog. Who me I got tell say my man sex me in a dog? Something I don't want to call phone friend and tell phone friend no. But I say, girl, say no say be a dog my man sex me now. Me I go call somebody and tell them say my man sex me in a dog. Now me would I know say me sex in a dog. People girl, go on your bed man. Just and of them something I wanna use like a long time when me and people used to argue. And them look at things that them used to say. Wanna come with something new now, no? You sit down and worry about man before you go move on. Everybody move on and find one man. Why you still sit down and happy? Go and go find one man and move on, man and go man. Me, I got me a bad man, my best friend. Oh, you go in my mind for find that. Oh, you going on my mind for find out some me bad mind. Eh? Oh, you going there? When you see people live certain life, you don't want people for breed. As people do it, they go breed. You just want to send people for go breed. So you think breeding nice? I'm going to tell you when me I go breed. Me I go breed when you only carry a baby for 3 weeks. So when at them time they want to link me? 9 months, ma? 9 months long. And me afraid to see myself black back. Me know how me a go look. Me breed up while me a worry about for get through to corona. They much personally for see summer. But they want live for see summer, they a worry about breed. Just imagine me breeding at this corona time, you know. Oh, me a pray. You know, see the something where them say the baby, the woman breed. And them end up make she have baby early and she live. Exactly. Some man run go breed, that's why people, that's why I walk and yam on the belly. Nothing like when a girl breed for a man. Kill a dead man did one. You breed for him. Run go breed for him and say, baby, I'm pregnant. And the man say, nyam it, you know. Nyam it. That's where that backside. What you have to do? Eh? Some man love walk and breed for people too much. Breed for people too much, man. And when man knows sound half of the market at them time, them fling bun and down rotted. When me ready for breed, me I buy my bitters and take my wash out of my excitement and then me to say, a fliplets me a drop. No, one pitney. 3, 4, and 5. Now like I jar a food that tastes terrible. Fliplets is a word that I created for myself. And only I know the meaning. I wish not to share. Right, yeah, worry about what is fliplets. Fliplets is what me bill. Write something. And then just think back about it. And someone go think about something else for a slap her. And then come back again. She gone again, you know she gone. Must have gone ball. Gone, you gone ball. Kill Dan, dead me that got the alive or cry or feel away. But a makeup store them and somebody you walk a question them man. Me not have no problem in my relationship. Me not make you give me no added women I know about. So you not make me search for me where God never send me for go find. Is me and I'm too much alcohol and aloe vera gel. Or whatever them use me keep. But they sanitize my hand guys, I just didn't wash it. You're done now. Him say he never used to shower, he had to curse you. Dan, I'm gonna show you one video. Him still curse all now for shower. Them right man, I have so much problem with them woman and still stay. So why you must stay with me? What a piece of problem when we come in. You know, since I'm start, I come with so much problem. And him still stay. What is he made for man? Where you call yourself if you're an idiot to a woman? Yeah, them have yammed for woman. Give me. Cause them things are where you know. Me no wanna me tell you. And I don't me tell nobody. So I him tell you. So what me want you do? Drumhead. Drumhead sound good. He's a drumhead. I want you talk to your friend or your brethren and tell him to leave me if he's having so much problems. Cause me don't know why I'm that still there with me. My money and my fame will make him see a fame. My man never like fame. When you say true me terrible make when me post him not tell me take him down. You crazy? Fame and money. My man look young. You know say Trim look young. Trim look young on the things say some of them are mine. He's a big ass man and people know the big ass job that he does. Why if him look young? Him look too young. Cause me there with that old man where him grew up and that never think me a mind no old grew up man. But because him keep himself young and fresh and vibrant and then he get a nice warm fat pum pum to keep him looking young, you probably think that he's a little boy that has to get money from woman or have to get money. Him look too, him have to get mine, him too young. Him look too young man. That age would sit and have a girl so young, 26, and him not talking age. I go sit down and make me mind him. So that means me I mind the pit of them. So me I mind everything there. Look here, go on in your rotted bed here, man. Him look too young. I gotta tell himself to hold up himself too much. Him a go on too young at that. You think you not see me with that big old big belly grey head man? Not even grey. A big man up in them age and thinks that me I mind him? No. My man work big till if I feel go work and yard in there and I get free money. Where me have to get up and look it and hustle. You sit down and get free money. Lie down. And get free pay same way not going to work and me have to get up and look it. Walk and go look it on the upper side, look it from big holiday. And me and mine him would have to even lift or move a finger. Now look on me. Sit down pan big holiday, sit down upper side, wait pan customer for coming for buy my product. Me no must see none. Film income not change. Whether if them come, them not come, them go, them look, them shop, him have him thing. Plus him do much in things on the side. Me there so, sit down. And I wait for my customer them come through the door for buy my product them. And me for take it up. Me for take it up and give to man. Didn't see say some different type of shit me I eat. Cause I can't food. Me half mad. Me probably sit down up here, so people probably not even come in. And me I gotta take it up and give to people. We not even have a move. What yeah? Nice man to cook for me. Guys, don't talk to that man for me, cause I like him young. Me not look good too. Me not look nice. Me not forget no money neither. Allah tell me where you see if I'm not ugly. Remember me him talk to you know. Remember me him there with. After a while him so stop look good cause remember me and stress. So when I go see him real looks, I bet you know would never think say me a mind him, eh? Me where used to see chicken and chips and just have to smell it. Don't even know how it tastes in my mouth. Forget up and make my look money and mine man. What me want know? Me not look good neither. I alone look good. Store and leave because I don't know if we're going to make it in time for curfew. And Dawn this is the slowest day for me, Dawn. Other days that I have speedy, I could even dip on live. Me have to just at this a wait. Somebody else have to help me, somebody else have to dip, somebody else have to help me right there. So me alone can't do it. I need help much in people. So Dawn, this goes to show no matter how much people talk, you know, life now stop keeping up. No matter how people talk and people cuss and people say this and people say that, your life for you have now stop keep. So what best to do than just to entertain them, laugh off of them, run look a joke with them, listen to what them I say. Nah man, I block them long time, I not block down. Actually I make me look at holiday. Remember we're not gonna beach today, we're not gonna river. First and foremost, I don't just sell bleaching cream. I address that first. Okay? I don't just sell bleaching cream, I sell a lot of other nice products, okay? Differently from that, if for the bleaching cream topic you want touch, a lot of way One when the quarantine was stay in, I was sit down and will glow up. So you see when time the world open up back and the party them come with clean and them strong. I'm not ask you. At the best time now, tell your boss say house color. Tell him say boy boss because I'm saying all along house color. Well, yes, no for to say the spot remover go bleach, you know, or the spot remover go tone, you know. I know everybody tone. So if you do tone you just want to say you tone and you get off your spot them and you stop, you come to your complexion, you can go back and work. All of them time, yeah, this are the best time for do everything. The little black knuckles them we used to have your lint for your desk and rub off your black knuckles and clean. Miss Tush, me sound dunce, but watch how much people come in here and following my dunce advice. Are you fool bad? Be sound dunce. You know how much an educated person like herself is sitting home not having one shit to do, nothing to buy. Wanna go sit down. First a links get thing. Right now you want to stay in and cloak up and quarantine and rub on your cream. When the let off a bag of people. So that's when the world open back now and the people them start to them interview. You come to work nice and clean. You got the interview nice and clean. The boss not hesitate for take you. Come you get the job. I will not be a fool in theater. I will not answer another question them good. You get the job. And looks do it too, you know. You didn't know. Looks do it. Most of them girls we have them we have them work, I looks get them in there. Feel like I educated and pass it? No. I looks help me throughout everything. What me do? Help me. You think me have a problem if I get through in a long line or no problem? No, my love, as me reach the line, me get through. Me ever see some security will love me off. Or something that will love, will want trouble me. Yeah. Get through in the line and go home because them now get my number for come make nobody kill me. Fabulous ear talk no girl. For them bright girl sit down and hungry. No for them bright girl family right now. Tired of them. A black no for them black and them don't even know. Them probably say, oh uncle na answer, oh auntie na answer. Them black them the woman them a beg. Una whole on a bag of subject them and not even have a piece of work right now. Una first the boss lay off. Una first the man lay off with all on a subject them and all on a brightness. So I stay there. Enough of them right now, they're on my life sit down and wild and ignorant for me. Sit down on a subject and on the yard, not even know the income I come from. So get me a man. Wrong smarty. Marks a question. See me a Moisha. Them say money get me a man. Say no in the morning now. My man a go work. You know, I just say, alright baby, buy one lunch. And buy something for yourself and pay your fare. You have gas in the car? Put the gas in the car and make sure so you come home. Later time come back. When it's done, lunchtime you link me if it's done already. When you say what party? Because you know, if me and my man make a cheap, you know. I'm not going to eye. Say, you want party? Yeah man, you want a cocoa bread now. You go too far now. If me for really mind man, me really have to talk. So, cocoa bread too much. So you want party? Alright then. Buy the party there, you know you have to go. Hustle it and see if you get a cocoa bread, but when you come back for lunch, come back if you want more, I'm deal with you. Him come back. Based on by the party, but I never have the juice. So alright then, buy a big juice. Bag juice. Nothing lower than that. Alright then. Feel like I can come out of the cheapness. People, I'm cheap with myself. I'm cheap with myself. Me that be the worst girl for mine one man because I'm so rash cheap. Me don't know how it would I go. You know to say God make me no broke up and no broke man because me tell you say them the worst, you know. That's a buy a bag of crab, buy one $200 crab. I give him $200 because you know say you circle and freeze them crab, you know. Man say 4 bills. 4 bills, buy some crab food there then. And tell them say wow, whole heap of crab water with that. That me I tell you. Yeah, no just say deal with it now. Down in the night you want to sleep. I say alright then hold a bread back. Put look a chiffon pan it. Go on your bed. And I say go. So me and my man. And so me I deal with him. Me not have it. Me not have it and me not buy no KFC. If me do buy KFC for myself, I may give him 4 fries and one of the wing them and another fat wing them and the flat wing them I get. I want to have. You know, put me figure where me no hobby. Oh. I feel like my is a different meanness. I don't know where me get my meanness from. God know. But people say when I have my child, I'm not gonna mean no more. So kudos to when I breed. I'm not going to be mean no more because I'm gonna give my daughter stuff, as what them say. So sure. Dan, if it's a party, all my money, no ambition, because if me and my daddy might get party crab water and bird back. So if I that me catch him with him now, no ambition, none at all. None at all. I mean, no. You have only part big woman film age would have take care of him. So why stick with me? Listen, me I save my money. For mine, man, when my old. When I know some really nothing not there for me. No swing not there, no looks not there. My face drop down. My done, I look how wetness down, the dry, nothing now pop. And them money them I save. Me can young and nice, so. And I mind man for stay with me. No. Me I save my money when me old. When me old and dry up and no, I'ma just get a nice little young boy. Cause my man say my dad till him at 55. When him at 55, him go get a different, him go get some young girl. No. My dad till we are 55 years of age. When? No, 55 years, Lord God. 55 years from now, him there with me, yeah. So him say 55 years from now, I'm gonna talk to some young girl because I want a young girl. I say, fine. Me I save my money for some young boy. When me old. But I can't young son now. What a life can't such a blood clean. I'm not gonna do man. I don't have no makeup, no my natural hair. I'm still beautiful. I'm not gonna do me. First thing first. My sister I really get upset now that I stop take this here joke thing. I really got answer that. What you say? Why me never follow it up? I said, Dan, actually I make my life nice because I probably just sleep on life boring and chat about one bag of chrome white and boring enough. Dan actually I give me like things to talk about and topic to touch. But I want nice tea, good stiff titty browning. Eh? For a man and a woman not working, but it's a problem for a woman to mind a man. I'm not talk about the waste one them because of them woman tend to mind, which is true. I'm glad God not give me none. Because at the end of the day, my money them only flushing on my business. Me only flush it back. Buy back container, buy back this, buy back product, buy business for sale. Our girl say you will never live to see that in your life. Me not got no embassy from me a pitney till now. None. Because I'm just scared for them turn me down. Talk about your friends to him because he's talking back everything. Which friend? Where are they? Everybody when knows me that my friend, me and them even really deal. Me and them deal, but me and them not really deal on a basis that I even know them business. Everybody move and everybody big and everybody do them own thing. People still a chat friend man. You feel like me a little girl will sit down on corner and chat. I don't even know nothing about the people them. I don't even know nothing about the people them. I went baby face almost 3 months me know say she pregnant. Everybody busy and make a little hustler do them own little thing. Nobody not no time to talk about nobody that. In this age now, people still a chat people for true. Like still a chat a friend them like really no still a do them some of them. People are big people now. Some of a friend get all work and they even know they just see her now one blood clot. Where I call it? Some uniform. Either them a work, you see them all in NCB uniform bank. You say Ross, my friend get bank work and I say that text and I say girl I get people not people don't know about friend life. These days, no more. They just see them on Instagram and that post a little video or a little snap. And you say, yeah, is either my friend trim off her ear or my friend grow out her ear or my friend put on weight. People don't know about friend life no more than. Come with something else, man. Sneakers brandy, you could see me at embassy. Oh, no bad, so. You just run this embassy thing. Listen. Embassy, I got embassy, guys. Come on, man. I need to tell a lie about that. Look how much people get turned down. And Mariana I'll get turned down. What the hell? Ladies, sir. Then who is me? Little me for get turned down. Come on, that's at least my problem. Young, And at the time, she didn't have to come with me. I could go by myself. And as she filled up the paper and answered all of the questions. That's the last time. To show you how long that. And never go again. Remember some of that wait until my little record for breeze off, you know. Breeze off and gone, you know, a long time that now. So why you stop the girl from sell the cream? You're too wicked. Baby face take you in her house when you did homeless. You're too wicked. Dan is a good head girl. What are you saying? I not even want to talk the girl business. The girl is not going to be here. If I'm say no longer, we're gonna get a new location. All of a sudden, I'm stop the girl. Or the ratted me for stop the girl. Listen, when people are winning, and I do them thing, you know, and them will push them friends to the side and hype on them friend, them will bring all of mine them, you know. I just who don't want to nothing with themselves, you know, they on them own. I remember me come on live and say, and she used to stay with, you know, when me younger, you know. Dan, that alone makes sense.
You're not a big friend to blood.
Dan, I'm a general, what do you mean? Dan, say you tell the man, say you ask Babyface to help you go Canada and you tell your man she not help you. Dan, what are you saying? Oh, my for one Babyface help me go Canada. Babyface have I'm for never been when him from a little when time I telling us I used to go Boston and all of them places when me a pitney. Me used to post out some little foreign picture about with myself when me there overseas. What are you guys saying? Nicki, I want a man will work a 9 to 5. Why not? I have one who work a 9 to 5 already. I don't have no problem with 9 to 5 man, but I don't want a man. Dan is a who dead. Where she get that name from? You see me a Cayman embassy? Hey, look here now, see me a too much ratted embassy, Chinese embassy, Canadian embassy, American embassy, Cayman embassy. Who don't just want to see me and want you see next you see when time I go Cape embassy next time I go show on a picture. Me and Dan did see you a dress up as a one big blood clot Chinese woman. Jason, come now, now get an eye now, cause Dan go get our blood clot cokehead friend them for come give our strength. So me just good at terribly intended. What are you saying? So I look like a nice madman. You want sleep? Dan more than me, my dear. I'm not lie. We Dan there. Dan come the man Dan. So good. Which dress? I don't have on a dress, you know, I have on a romper. We Dan there. Oh man, this girl. Dad. Listen, curfew are coming on. Nobody make the example out of me and beat me in my backside. But I have no effect no because fat as me is,